Select Edit PhotoMatch. Adapt the image using the transparency effect. Use the Erase command to bring the site photo to foreground. Use the dot, line and polyline tools to select. Use backspace to cancel the last drawn polyline segment. Close the polyline with the right mouse button click. Repeat this procedure on other areas too. Confirm when you have obtained the desired result. The mask will now preserve the defined clipping area. If you generate a new render, the photo edit process is already completed. You can modify the photo edited image. And any new changes are stored as a new mask. For new renders, simply choose among the saved masks.